Welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs from the sides and take it in the between and make the plaits like this. Join the hairs in the very small sections like this. You can watch it in the video how small section we are taking it. Fix it in the between like this and fix it till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Take the hairs on the sides and make the plaits on it like this. Join the hairs as shown in the video. Now take the hairs in the very small sections and fix it in the between of the plaited hairs. Now after that take the hairs like this and join it. Join the hairs till the side like this and it's ready. Tie the hairs on the side like this and then roll it upward and fix it. Keep taking the hairs like this and make the plaits on the other side as well. Join the hairs like this on the left side and then make the plaits like this. Take the hairs from the other side and follow the same step for the right side as well. Now fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and then roll it like this and fix them into each other. After fixing the hairs, now tie the hairs together as shown in the video. Make a knot-like shape on the back of the hairs. Join it on the sides and then rotate it like this. Repeat the process for a few more times. Tie the hairs together and then fix all the hairs as we have shown in this video and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it in the between like this. Join the hairs on the sides by making the plaits like this. Fix it on the other side as well in the same manner and your hairstyle is almost ready. Tie the hairs and then rotate it from the between by making a space. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Now take the hairs in these small sections from it and then fix it in the between of the hairs like this. So watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing the hairs using the hairstyling tool and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs on the back, join it. After that, divide the hairs and make the plaits on it like this. Now, after you are done with it, we will rotate the hairs upward and fix it like this. Now, fix the hairs in the between of it and pull the plaited hairs. And then tie the hairs using a rubber band and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then divide it from the between and then rotate it. Hold it upward like this and fix it. Now, take the hairs and make the plaits. Fix the hairs on the back and it's ready. Tie the hairs and then divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fold it like this and make a bow on the top. Now make the plaits on the down section of the hairs like this and then fix it by folding it upward and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs on the sides and then make the plaits on it like this. Pull out the hairs in the very small sections from the sides like this. Watch the technique very carefully. Now follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now join it on the back like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Divide the hairs like this and then make the plaits as shown in the video. So here we are making the plaits using the 4 section of the hairs instead of 3. So watch the technique very carefully and follow along these steps to get the desired results. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs into 3 parts and then divide it from the between. Now rotate the hairs as shown in the video. After that, we will fix it on the top by tying them together and make the plaits. Fold it upward and fix it using the hairpins as shown in the video. Put the bun pin to fix the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail and then divide the hairs into 2 parts. Now take the hairs from the sides and join it in the between and make the plaits on the hairs like this. And fix all the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.